Another important option to set for a blog is the visibility options. Whether you want your blog visible to the world, including search engines, or just a handful of people you select, it's important to make sure that the correct blog visibility option in the Privacy Settings Administration panel is selected. Let's check the setting now. We're at the WordPress.com homepage. We're going to go to our dashboard, so click My Dashboard. Then click the Settings link, and then click the Privacy button. And that brings up the privacy settings. Now there's three options here. The first option, which is the one that we selected when we created this blog, it says, I would like my blog to be visible to everyone, including search engines like Google, Sphere, Technorati, and Archivers. That's a great setting if you want your blog to appear on search engines. If for some reason you don't want your blog to appear on search engines, but you want everyone to be able to access it, you'd want to choose the second option here. I would like to block search engines but allow normal visitors. That lets anyone who goes to your URL, in this case springfieldcase6.wordpress.com, they would be able to see it, but search engines wouldn't bother to index it. If, however, you wanted to keep your blog completely private, you could select this last option, I would like my blog to be visible only to users I choose. And if you turn that on and you click Save Changes, what it does is it allows you to add users to this, so you can specify who can visit your blog and everyone else would not be able to. I happen to have a username I can put in here just to show you how it works. So in the username box, you'd want to type in the username of another WordPress.com user. In this case, I'm going to put in HeliGal, which is one of mine. I'm going to click Add User. I got to wait a minute because it's loading from the WordPress.com server. And you see down below, it lists that name with a number. You're allowed to have up to 35 of these people. If you wanted more than 35, you can upgrade WordPress, and that would allow you to have more people accessing it. But again, not the general public, just the people you specify. If you wanted to remove a person, if you had 6 or 7 people in here and you decided to take one off, you could just click the little X button next to that person's name, and that would remove that person. Now, I want to keep this visible to everyone, including search engines, so I'm going to select that top option again, and I'm going to click Save Changes. And that'll make it a public blog once again. So your privacy settings determine who has access to your blog, and you can use this feature to make your blog completely public and included on search engines, or public but not included on search engines, or private just to the users that you specify.